Let's hear from Suraj Bhatkar.
Hey, I am Suraj Bhatkar. I am a BCom graduate and completed my diploma in interior designing. Currently, I am working as a freelancer in my field. I have joined digital marketing to learn new techniques to reach potential audiences and build my profession as a brand on the web. The main objective after learning this course is to start my own business into interior designing. Willing to reach new and potential audiences through my own website. Within the current duration of the course, I have learned various concepts that were unfamiliar to me, such as website development with WordPress, utilizing social media marketing, familiarity with business listing, YouTube concepts, etc. Additionally, the course has kept me engaged to learn more. This course will add up as a strong point in my career, and portfolio will definitely assist me to get future prospects. The best experience I had as a learner was all my doubts and queries were solved. I have learned new business strategies that will help me to build my own startup. Thank you.